In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide a page vertically in Notion. If you've ever found yourself wishing for a way to create more structured and aesthetically pleasing layouts for your notes or projects, then this tutorial is tailored just for you. Dividing a page vertically in Notion allows you to present your content in a cleaner, more organized fashion, making it easier to consume and enjoy. Let's jump right in. You'll first want to open the Notion app and navigate to the page that you'd like to organize. Once you're there, you can start by thinking about the kind of content you'd like to separate or highlight. Maybe it's a comparison of ideas, a list alongside a calendar, or even a text next to images. This initial planning will help you make the most out of the dividing feature. To get started, begin by hovering over the page. You'll notice to the left of your cursor, a small icon will appear. Click on this icon. This is your gateway to adding new blocks into your page. Once you've clicked it, you'll be presented with a list of options for different types of content you can add, from text to to-do lists, images to embedded files. Let's take this a step further. You're going to select a content type that suits your purpose. For instance, suppose you choose to add a text block. Right after adding it, you'll want to click and hold the 6-dotted icon next to that block. This icon allows you to reposition your block anywhere on the page. Here's where the magic happens. Drag that block sideways until you see a small vertical blue line appear. This is your cue that you're dividing the page. Release the block at this point, and voila! You've just created a vertical split on your page. Now, anyone viewing your page will see the content neatly sitting side by side, offering clear visual access to both pieces of information simultaneously. For those extra touches, feel free to adjust the width of each column. You can easily do this by hovering over the boundary between the two blocks until a two-way arrow appears. Click and drag to adjust according to your preference, creating the perfect balance and ensuring readability. For more complex layouts, don't hesitate to keep adding additional vertical splits by repeating these steps. It creates dynamic, multi-column designs that are not only functional but also visually appealing. Remember, you can always drag and drop or rearrange blocks until you're fully satisfied with the look. Lastly, to further enhance your page's layout, consider adding dividers or different background colors to each column for extra clarity and separation. And there you have it. Dividing a page vertically in Notion opens up endless possibilities to organize your ideas and projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!